Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. If you are planning for your garden fencing and you are searching for a modern garden fence designs, then your search can end here. Just give you a few valuable minutes and we will showcase you best ideas that you can ever think. So relax and watch each garden fencing designs carefully and get some great and innovative ideas for your garden. Garden fences serve a multitude of purposes, including preventing theft from yards or nibbling from your crop, providing privacy for you and your family, creating shelter for your plants, keeping pets and children safe, and helping to create curb appeal for your property. Whether installing a new fence or looking for inspiration to update an existing fence, watch this video completely as we have got all modern collection of garden fencing designs for your home. A fence will add curb appeal to your home regardless of whether or not there are flowers growing in front of, around or through the fencing. However, as you will see, adding flowers and shrubs to the fencing entirely transform the look of the fence. A garden fence is a practical and functional addition to any garden, landscape or backyard. It is considered to be backbone of garden designs as it adds beauty and aesthetics value to your home and landscape. It's rewarding and fulfilling to have a garden where you can plant flowers or grow your own vegetables in, but it's unpleasant when you have to worry about animals damaging your produce, unaware children picking your flowers, or even attracting those who could damage your plants. Protect your gardens from those problems by building a garden fence and get more than what you need by designing it multi-purposely. Garden fences serve a number of purposes. Aside from functioning as a decorative element for your landscape, it also caters to more practical uses. The primary purpose of a garden fence is to act as a property marker and boundary setter for your house and lot. It sets limits for neighbors, passerby, or even unwanted guests. It is also used to add privacy to your backyard as it lets you enjoy outdoor activities without having to worry about prying eyes or unwanted attentions. Garden fences also act as a security and protection which prevent strangers from entering your house. With the availability of electric and sensor fences, securing your compound will be one of the last things you need to worry about. Another use is that it defines outdoor space by separating each area according to their specific use. A patio, for example, may be separated from a vegetable plantation or garden bed by using low garden fences. It is also an effective way to contain pets and children within the perimeter of your home. As it contains the site, it provides a safe environment where kids can play while also preventing them from wandering off. If set an adequate height and built with solid material, a garden fence can also reduce noise coming from outside elements. A house situated near a busy street can benefit from this since it blocks ambient noises coming from the traffic, pedestrian, or even mass transit. When added to vegetation or garden beds, it acts as a physical barrier which keeps animals from destroying plants. It can deter both small and large animals such as rodents, rabbits, or even deer. So friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern garden fencing design ideas, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our 1 million YouTube family members. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration, design ideas that are going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on the interior or exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below. Do check them out. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. There are several main factors that need to be considered in building a garden fence. Decide on the following elements before proceeding with the installation of your garden fence, as these factors are all interrelated. Purpose of the garden fence. First thing to consider in building a garden fence is the purpose it is intended to be used for. Determine whether it will be mainly used to secure your house or just a decorative element. If meant as a protection for your garden and landscape, know which type of animal are prone to destroying your plants. This step is crucial as other features of your garden fence such as height, material and design will be based on the purpose of your garden fence. Design. Garden fence may be designed as a basic or elaborate depending on the style you want to achieve for your garden. It may be either utilized as a central feature or a backyard or may blend into the landscape. This must be cohesive with the overall look of your outdoor space. For example, a garden with beautifully sculpted topiary and antique white planters can be matched with an elaborately patterned white iron fence to complete a stunning garden fence. Also, design your garden fence in accordance to the existing structural, architectural and aesthetics of your house. The design possibilities are vast when it comes to choosing the right garden fence. Material of garden is also a very important factor. The material which will be used in building a garden fence is based on two main factors, namely overall design and practicality. As said, the concept and style you envision for your garden can help you determine the appropriate material to be used. Streamlined metal fences or clean-cut vertical slats are perfect for modern homes. Practicality, on the other hand, refer to maintenance and lifespan of your garden fence. Garden fences are consistently exposed to weather changes, humidity, moisture or heat. Make sure to choose a material which can stand every wear and tear. Height of garden fences. Before building your garden fence, it is important to decide on its height. This is primarily dependent on the purpose of your garden fence. If it will just act as a decorative feature in your garden, then height is not a concern. But for garden fences which will be used for adding privacy to your backyard, set it at least 6 to 8 feet tall. Cost of garden fence. In building your garden fence, budget is all of course and one of the main factor which needs to be prepared beforehand. The cost of your project is dependent on the previously mentioned factors. The cost of building a garden fence is priced per linear foot. Wood is usually the cheapest material, while wrought iron is the most expensive. Aside from the material cost, additional labor cost would incur if you choose to hire a professional to complete your garden fence project. However, easy to build garden fences can be taken on as a do-it-yourself installation and can save you a fair amount of money. Building a new garden fence can cost around $1,500 to $4,000 depending on the material and the area of coverage. If your budget for your new home renovation is low, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on an interior design. To get the latest design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our site interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase you the best interior designs that you will find anywhere. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get your home decorated. There is no standard height for garden fences, although if used for perimeter of your property, specific regulation and restrictions may be followed. Depending on the location of your house, each city has different policies. Garden fences may range from approximately 3 to 8 feet. Vegetable garden fences and borders, on the other hand, are much smaller at a minimum of 2 feet. If you using a garden fence to deter animals, use 3 to 4 feet high post as rabbit guard, while dog or other jumping animal may require a taller fence. Garden fences come in a different material, style, shape and sizes. Each type cater to different needs for your home as well as add a different character to the overall look of your outdoor space. Garden fence panels are ready-made panels which are usually 3 to 6 feet high and are commonly used not only as garden plot barrier but as perimeter walls for your plot. It is usually made of wood, metal, vinyl or PVC. This type of garden fences are ideal for homeowners who would like to engage on building their own as it is easy to install. It usually costs around $15 to $100 per panel at local home improvement stores or specialty suppliers. So friends, hope you like this video on modern garden fencing designs, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on the Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.